What's up and going on YouTube? It has been quite some time since I've released a video, guys. I need to definitely apologize for that. My life's just been very chaotic the last couple months. I'm gonna enlighten you on some of those details, but make no mistake, the Duramax Matt channel is back and we're ready to upload some content, guys. I got a lot of stuff to talk to you about. A lot of stuff has happened in the last couple months, so this is the welcome back video. I'm gonna get the truck pulled out in a little bit, let you know what's been going on in my life, and then we're gonna dive right back in to all the truck content that you guys have been missing. So I know the last thing that I had uploaded was about the wheels, and the video after this I'm gonna follow back up on that video, and we are going to talk to you about the 22x12 specialty forged, the 35-inch Toyo MTs that I got running on it, and all the fitment questions that you guys might have, because I had a lot of questions when I was ordering this setup and I didn't really have anything to base my assumptions off of. So hopefully that video will help you guys out. But right now, guys, let's get the truck out. No lights, no issues. Got the edge monitor working. Looking at all the variables and diagnostics of the truck. Much better. Oh man, look at her, sitting pretty. Got it clay barred and waxed over the last couple days. It's been sitting in the garage. Had the opportunity to drive a different vehicle, so while it's clean, I wanted to take this opportunity just to showcase everything that I've done so far. So again, this is a 2017 Duramax L5P Denali. It's sitting on a 4 to 6 inch Cognito lift right now. 22x12 specialty forged 23s on 35-inch Toyo Open Country MTs. It is tuned by Motor Ops right now. Currently, I've been going back and forth on tuning. I'll provide you guys with an updated video about the pros and cons of each. No bias. I like PPI and I like Motor Ops. So got all the fancy piping up front, 3.5-inch downpipe. Paired to a Flow Pro 5-inch exhaust, no muffler. So I think this exhaust sounds incredible. I'm running the 620 or 220 horsepower tune right now, so it's supposed to put out around 620 at the wheels, maybe around 1400 foot-pound. We're gonna get it dynoed soon as well. So this is it. Alright guys, I am officially back. Just took you around the truck. Hope you like what I've done with it so far. Just wanted to let you guys know where I've been. So, in the last couple months, I've mentioned in the previous vlogs, but I have been tied up. I was flipping a house. You guys can check out some of that footage right now.
Oh, so this is how you do this. Matt, what are we doing?
We are wrapping up.
We're wrapping up
Another project.
another project. Thank goodness. He's so excited. I figured out how to do this right now.
We're finally done and we're wrapping up here. This will be my last day. The house is getting appraised on Thursday, and then the new buyers will close next week. So just want to give a quick roundabout summary of what we did here. I know it has nothing to do with trucks, but just why I've been gone. So end up getting this house, it was down to the studs. We put new vinyl siding on it, new exterior windows, new roof, gutters, new soffits, new shutters, new exterior doors. You can't see right now, but this is a new garage door. All new electrical panel from the service in, so that's a whole new service and electrical panel. I'll bring you guys in through the garage, but we'll tie into the front door in a second. Spacious, I would call it a second living room, or a family room, or a playroom. Wood burning fireplace, ceiling fans, recessed lighting, brand new carpets. We put tile in the entryway, as you can see, brand new slider too. So tile in the entryway over there. As you come in through the front of the house, you'll see that that has been tiled as well. This whole house has been remodeled from the inside or outside in, however you want to call it. Brand new insulation, new paint, new baseboard trim, new interior doors, hardware. Brand new vanity and light fixture. This is what I would call the nice family room or living area. Again, recessed lighting were added. These are key lights, only about 3/4 of an inch to an inch thick. So, new lighting. This would be your formal, I don't know, kitchen area or dining room. And then it wraps around into the kitchen, which was put together completely by myself. We installed the cabinets, the hardware, the backsplash, all new stainless steel appliances. Again, all new windows, new lighting. The crown was installed. Toe kick, corner round was all done. In this pantry, this used to be a stairway that came up on the other side of the other steps. So the new owners had a pantry. Going to the upstairs bathroom. New vanity, lights, electric, new tile shower. New tub, new toilets. And there's 3 full bedrooms upstairs. This could be like a kid's room, another kid's room. As you can see, these rooms are very spacious. Every single room has a ceiling or paddle fan. So, again, this is where I've been. This has consumed the majority of my time. I'm looking forward to getting back on the channel. Looking forward to enjoy some time with my wife because she misses me oh so dearly. Right, babe?
Always.
Not only that, guys, what's more important, more exciting in my life is I ended up getting married. I was married on May 10th. So between those two things, it really took a lot of time and energy out of my ability to create videos for you guys. But I wanted to let you know that in my absence, I haven't discontinued any of the research that I've wanted to do or the items that I've wanted to do to this truck. You guys haven't missed any mods. You haven't missed anything at all. But what I can tell you is that we've got some big things planned for this truck this fall. We're going to be doing a built trans. Talking to the guys over at Whirly, Duramax tuner. Not sure which way I'm going to go yet, but we're going to end up doing a trans for this truck because I really want to push the limits of the factory charger and the tunes that I have, and you can't do it on factory transmission. So with that being said, my trans has been holding up well. I don't beat on this truck that much or all that often, but when I do get on it, you can tell that some of the shift points are a little bit weak, especially when you're getting into the higher speed and higher RPM. So built trans for sure. We got traction bars coming. I plan on pulling some of the components off the truck and get those powder coated the same as I have the undercarriage or the underhood of the truck. So we've got a lot planned. Getting the bumper painted in the next couple weeks. So I'm just really excited to share with you guys the voyage of this truck. I appreciate all your comments when I've been gone. I've been getting emails, inboxes, still commenting on my YouTube videos. So I really appreciate all the support, guys. But I am back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna pick up where I left off, which is with the wheels. So as you can see, can you see? I don't even know. As you can see, they're pretty wide, pretty tall. I'm really impressed with the direction that I went with these, and I'm excited to share you guys why I came to those conclusions and how they fit for fitment. So I'll see you guys in the next upload, and take it easy.